Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing your DNS cache on Windows 11 to resolve those annoying internet connection errors. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most effective way to clear out a corrupted DNS cache is by using the command prompt with administrative privileges. We need to make sure we open it correctly. Go ahead and move your mouse down to the Windows Start button or the search icon on your taskbar and give it a click. In the search bar at the top, type in the letters CMD or Command Prompt. You will see the Command Prompt app appear in the results, but don't just click it yet. Look to the right side of the menu and select Run as Administrator. A user account control window might pop up asking for permission. Simply click Yes to proceed so we have full access to make changes. Now that we have the black command window open, we are going to type in a simple command that wipes the slate clean. Click inside the window and type exactly ipconfig /flushdns. That is ipconfig /, and then flushdns. Once you have that typed in, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You should immediately see a message saying successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, which confirms that all the old, potentially bad data is gone. If you want to be absolutely sure your connection is fresh, we can take one quick extra step while we are here. In the same window, type in netsh Winsock reset. This resets the catalog that handles your network requests. Hit Enter again, and you will see a message telling you that the reset was completed successfully. Now, you just need to close the window and restart your computer for that last change to fully take effect. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your DNS cache and refreshed your connection settings. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.